In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a forex trading robot on ChatGTP for free. Just head over ChatGTP and the website is chat.openai.com. Chat.openai.com. In this website is a website which have writing bot. You can ask anything here and the chatbot will write anything for you. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a trading robot using ChatGTP. So if you just a new member on this website, you will need to create an account here. If you have already an account, just log into your account and the dashboard will look like this. Come here on writing place and write something like create MQL4 code for trading robot. This is a robot which is going to traded on Meta for trading only. So after creating this, submit. The ChatGTP will start to write a robot for you. For example, lot size for trading 0.1 double stop loss FM50. This is how the ChatGTP will start to write a robot for you. Wait until it finish up to write anything, and here and come on about the code and copy the code. Now you have a code. You can go anywhere. For example, you can go to document and write anything and write the code. Here is that new code. Yes, paste here. Yeah, this is a code. This is a trading bot, trading robot created by ChatGTP. If you have expertise on adding this code, you can add something or can remove something here. But this is a robot created by the ChatGTP. Thank you for your time and